Okay, a stock that I really like in 2025 and heading into future years is Quantum Computing Inc., ticker QUBT. This is the chart right here. It had a massive breakout at the end of 2024 from under $1 a share up to a high of $27 a share. And it happened in about 2 months from October, where the high was in December. The last 2 or 3 months, we've had a very healthy pullback to this $5 level. And you can see we have a massive volume spike that just happened recently, and we're heading into earnings next week. So whether you see this video in time and you capitalize on an earnings event and how that implied volatility increase can create a very dynamic option trading environment, it's still a great name long term for Leap. So we're going to do two things. Number one, we're going to look at the Leaps, and I'm going to disclose what I have on. I have the January 2026 5 strike calls. Conservative, in the money, not a ton of risk, but this is my first tip for you. This may not be for everybody, and this is not advice. This is just what I'm doing to show you how I want exposure in the name. I own shares, but I also have these January 2026 5 strike calls that I paid $3.30 for. So you can see the high on these contracts back in the beginning or the end of 2024. They're about $15 to $20 a contract. So I think there's great upside on this. I don't know if we're going to get back to these 25 or 30 levels on the stock that you can see here, but I do like the name. I also like buying short-term options, so going out to April. And one of the tricks that I would show you is looking at the open interest is a very effective way to gauge activity, to gauge volume, to gauge if you have some real power behind a potential move. The open interest and the volume. So look what happened. The most recent volume, 2,200 contracts on the 10-strike calls for April, 33 days out. I like those. I like the Leaps. QUBT, that's my pick for you.